Amidst the billions of galaxies in the universe, there are a large number of tiny ones called the dwarf galaxies that are 100 times less massive than our own Milky Way galaxy. Most of the dwarf galaxies form stars at a much slower rate compared to the bigger galaxies. Strangely, it has been observed that some dwarf galaxies form new stars at a rate that's 10 times more than that of our own Milky Way galaxy. In India, astronomers from Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences, Dr. Amitesh Omar and his former student Dr. Sumit Jaiswal have been observing dozens of such dwarf galaxies using 2 Indian telescopes and have found that the clue to the strange behavior of these galaxies lies in the disturbed hydrogen distribution and also in recent collisions between 2 galaxies. So let's hear from Dr. Amitesh Omar himself about his observation and its significance.
Yeah, so dwarf galaxies are very small galaxies, much smaller compared to, for example, our own Milky Way galaxy. And these galaxies are quite a mystery. Most of these dwarf galaxies do not form stars at a very high rate, but we do see that some dwarf galaxies form stars at a very high rate, like sometimes 10 times higher than what Milky Way is doing. And so to solve this mystery, we observed some star forming dwarf galaxies with 2 Indian telescopes. One is the Giant Meter Wave Radio Telescope, which operates at radio wavelength and is operated near Pune. In second telescope, we use the optical telescope, which is operated close to Nainital. It's a 1.3 meter Devasthal Optical Telescope. Our results indicate that dwarf galaxies start forming lots of stars if there has been some violent event very recently, and that violent event could be the interaction between 2 galaxies. So what happened essentially here, that 2 galaxies come and collide with each other. They sometimes can merge and form a single galaxy. Once this happens, the entire gas is disturbed, and this is what we saw in the radio images, which actually match the hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most important element to form stars in the universe. Once this hydrogen is disturbed, this leads to more collisions, and that starts initiation of star formation. And so this study is very important to understand how star formation process takes place in galaxies, and that's going to be very useful for future simulation works where galaxies are simulated with the help of supercomputers, and these inputs that dwarf galaxies can start star formation at a very high rate through collisions is going to be a very important input for such simulations in the future.
The research therefore suggests that the recent collisions between 2 galaxies probably has triggered the intense star formation in these dwarf galaxies. Thank you for watching. For more videos like these, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.